Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about a company name the Wellness Company, or you can say TWS Health. We are not talking about this one, the Wellness co dot. We are talking about TWS Health company, okay, the Wellness Company. So does it you can say like you should buy any product on their you can say like website or not, and what are the problems and what are the you can say like precautions you should take while purchasing any product on their you can say like website. So in this video we will discuss about this kind of information. So first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx we can say 3 to 4 years old, because their Facebook page, their Instagram page, all are you can say like indicating they are available on internet, like on social media, like approx 2022. Okay, so if we talk about like the product they are selling right now, they have different kinds of product. All product are related to health. Okay, so each and everything is looking good because they have provided their phone number, each and everything they have provided. But the only problem of their you can say like platform is like subscription model. Because why I'm saying this thing, you can see over here they are listed on Trustpilot, and they have reviews on Trustpilot. You can see over here TWC, this is the same profile, and they have approx 157 reviews. Okay, and all the reviews is complaining like you can see over here, most of them are complaining like they are facing problem related to you can say subscription model, and they are not getting customer support. So if you are going to purchase any you can say like product on their you can say like platform, you should not take any kind of subscription. Like there are two options, like one time purchase, or you can say like a membership model. You should avoid membership model, and if you are not going to cancel your membership, if by mistake you have taken your membership, then in that case you have to cancel your membership. If you forget to cancel your subscription or membership, then they will charge on your account each and every month. Okay, so this is the only problem. And the another one, that is like you can say results. So results is depends on person to person. Maybe you will get amazing results, maybe you will not get amazing results. We are not going to talking about this kind of you can say like on this topic. The results depends on person to person. So this is a you can say like person to person you can say like dependency, and maybe you will get amazing results, maybe you will not get. But the definitely problem is like you can say subscription model is definitely a problem. Okay, so if you are going to purchase, please don't try to take any subscription, otherwise you have to face lots of issues, like maybe they will charge on your account in the form of subscription, and you have to pay. You can say like you can say like you can't stop their subscription. Okay, you have to pay fees. Okay, so you have to cancel your subscription, and that's it, then you can make a purchase. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, you can share your thoughts. And you can see over here these all reviews are coming very recently, like in the month of July. They have all the negative reviews, so you can imagine the quality, you can imagine the you can say like the things is happening on you can say like this Trustpilot. So you can imagine. So my dear friend, this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Please make a comment if you have any experience. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.